Hello there everyone, this is Angie over at Camping World in Greenwood, Indiana, and this is the as-is camper of the day. $2,800 out the door. That's including your fees, your taxes, everything. It's a 1996 Jayco Designer 303. It's got the rear kitchen with the slide. It is going to be as is. $2,800, folks. You get what you get. It's got a few issues, but overall, it's not super bad. We're gonna walk around the outside. We'll come back to the outside in a few minutes. It's got a little bit of a mess up right there. Done some work right there. Little dent. We're talking $2,800 out the door. If we go inside, we'll go this way first. Bathroom. Shower. Floor's not soft. That's a plus. I'm not falling through. So that'd be entertaining for your video, right? Well, we're not gonna open that right now. If you decide you want it, we'll open up that door for you. Oh. Apologize, I have some allergies going on today, so you are going to hear me sniffling. It's all those lilac bushes in bloom outside on the property. Okay, so then if we go this way, there's the couch. Looks pretty good for a couch from 1990s. No major stains. That fabulous teal carpet from the 90s. Kitchen. Now here is the issue. This is what gets you a hell of a deal. It's got a little bit of damage right there. By a little bit, I have no idea how extensive that is. But obviously some waters came through at some point in time. That's the wood right there, so that you can kind of see. But if you're handy, you got $2,800 cash, you just need something to put out on some property, maybe use occasionally, this one's the one for you. You can reach me on my cell, 317-372-8203. That's all the paperwork the previous customer left on it. That's a good sign that there's actually paperwork. Again, my number's 317-372-8203. I told you we'd walk around the outside again. Give me a call, text me, let me know if this isn't the one for you and you're looking for something in particular. Tell me that too. Alright guys, that's the fun as is, you get what you get, buy it cheap camper of the day.